Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on the battery saving mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn battery saving mode on, we have to go to the settings first. Then we're looking for battery option, power saving charging, and here we have power saving mode. Here we have a little explanation what does it do, and we can customize it if we want. For example, we can leave 5G on or off, decrease brightness, etc, etc. And to turn it on, we simply check this little box here, and our power saving mode is now enabled. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.